Trying to pair your Govee lights, but they simply refuse to appear or connect through Bluetooth. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you're ready to customize colors and effects. Fortunately, Bluetooth problems are usually caused by temporary communication glitches, app settings, or distance related issues rather than a fault with the lights themselves. In many situations, a Govee lights not connecting to Bluetooth problem can be resolved without replacing the device. Before assuming the lights are defective or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore the connection. 1. Turn Bluetooth off and back on again on your smartphone and move closer to the Govee lights. 2. Restart the Govee lights by disconnecting and reconnecting their power source. 3. Close the Govee Home app completely and reopen it after a few seconds. 4. Remove any previous Bluetooth pairings that may be interfering with the connection process. 5. Attempt the pairing procedure again and confirm that the lights appear normally inside the app.